Hello, it's turned milder. It's also turned wetter and windier, and there's more wind and rain to come in the forecast. But let's look at the temperatures first of all, because overnight much of England and Wales won't fall below double digits. Across parts of Scotland a little cooler for a time, but overall much milder nights than we've been used to recently. And for many it'll be certainly dry through the first half of the night. Some heavy downpours during the course of Thursday, but tending to clear away to the east and then down to the southwest, while more rain swamps in across Northern Ireland, Wales, western parts of England and Scotland. And once it's in across Scotland in particular, it is likely to last for much of the day. Now we have a couple of warnings in place for both the rain but also the wind, because the wind's really strengthened through the early hours around these western coast, and it remains very gusty steady through much of the morning across South Wales, West Wales and the east coast of Northern Ireland. Gusts of 50, 60, possibly even 70 miles an hour could cause some disruption to power lines. It's the south coast of Scotland, southwestern coastal strip, also like to see those gusts that may cause some disruption. And we have a warning for the rain across southwest Scotland, but also a little further north through Angus, Perth and Kinross and parts of Aberdeenshire. The rain really building up here through the day, so that could cause some flooding. So it is a pretty wet and windy day across these western areas. Wales should cheer up a little through the afternoon. The rain notice doesn't get to East Anglia or the southeast until quite late in the day, and actually quite a few places seeing brighter skies for the afternoon, but further rain to come across the northwest of Scotland. The very strong winds through the morning will ease a touch, but it is still a windy day, and that of course will impact the feel of the day, even though your thermometer will be reading well above the average for the time of year, getting into the teens almost across the board. And with a bit of sunshine, we might squeak up to 15 or perhaps even 16 Celsius. But as I said, feeling cooler with the wind. Now the winds will ease a little on Friday night. Bit of a question mark about how much rain we see across East Anglia and the southeast. This may linger for a good part of the evening, so bear that in mind if you're heading out. It may take until Saturday morning before that fully clears away. Elsewhere though, things are turning a little drier. Always some showers coming into the northwest of Scotland, but generally speaking, another pretty mild night, although not as mild to start Saturday as it will be on Friday. For many though, it is looking a lot drier and brighter on Saturday. Say, bit of a question mark about how quickly this rain clears away from East Anglia and the southeast, but it should be on its way out by the afternoon. Some showers will develop over Wales and England, so we'll keep some showers feeding in on the brisk wind across western Scotland, but for most places Saturday is a lot drier and a fair bit calmer as well, and still quite mild, although temperatures will be a degree or so down on Friday's values. These numbers are still above average double digits, and some places getting into the teens. But although Saturday is drier and brighter than Friday, there is more wet and windy weather to come. Out in the Atlantic, another low pressure system is developing. This one is heading up to the north of the UK, but as it approaches, the isobars are squeezing together. These weather fronts promise further spells of rain, and after the ground has continually been wetting up over recent days, extra rain could cause some flooding, and those winds looking pretty lively. Those isobars very closely packed. So again, warnings for wind and rain have been issued. You can check out the warnings for yourself on our app and on our website. And of course, we'll always have constant updates on YouTube, so make sure you subscribe.